Hello everyone, I'm just making this video just for you to see Coco. As you can see, I've made her a nice dinner, but she's not eating it, and well, she is eating it, but she's so lazy. She wants to eat it in her house, and I don't know whether she's eating or not. Oh, now she's eating a bit. Go on in, good girl. Good girl. She's eating. No, because I haven't seen her out recently at night, and it's worrying me a bit. So I took her out. It took me about 10 minutes now to get her out, and this is so annoying. Good girl. Are you finished? You finished, girl? Look, do you like it? I'll put it back in her cage, but I just want to do a little health check on her, really, because she hasn't been eating. Well, I don't know whether she has. She's been eating fine, but it's just that I don't get to see her. Like, she doesn't come out at night no more, and it's a bit of a worry. But basically, I need to put it back in. I kind of like manhandled her cage to try and get her out because she was really scared. Bless her. She's eating a bit more. That's for you, girl. Is that for you? Yeah. So comment, rate, subscribe.